Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, September 14. We will be going to Houston today. We will be sending the balikbayan boxes that I plan to send to the Philippines, guys. And there's a twist. We cannot put it all in the box. What we are gonna do today, doon na kami maglalagay lahat. We're gonna put all these things together when we get there in Houston or in LBC Houston, because yung car namin, our car is small, so hindi talaga siya mag-fit. So ito yung mga items, guys.
Because the big box won't fit in the trunk.
I'm not so awake.
She loves
I'm not so awake. I just...
languages that no one can understand.
Ano ba? I'm not so awake kasi. Our floor looks
Because she
so...
woke up and she was so excited. She had to. Today's the day.
And you begin to put it in the car. It's like, let me vlog first.
And I'm like,
Daddy just get up and like,
here I am. I'm like, okay, let's get this done. You're like, oh, no,
not yet, okay.
I have to vlog first.
So, ito yung mga boxes. Saan ba? So, some of the stocks, I already like put them in small boxes kasi yung mga, you know, it's nice to like just organize them para hindi kami mahirapan to put them in big box. So, actually, Belle was the one who advises me to do this, like put them other things in a box, small boxes. So, para easy to arrange them in a big box. So, ito guys, meron kami 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small boxes here. Meron kami stocks here in the plastic bag kasi yan yung mga ipatong-patong natin because I don't have any small boxes anymore. And yes, meron tayong mga things here. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung mga nilalagay ko dito. I think this one, dito yung mga chocolates natin. Here. And this one. Well, I already had the list on my phone kasi before I tape them, I had yung mga nakalagay na pangalan kung ano yung nasa loob ng small box. So nasa phone ko yun guys, kaya hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung andyan. But yeah, meron dito mga sabon, shampoo. And then this one, I think this one is chocolate. Oh, may nakalagay chocolate dito. Then this one is also chocolates. And I think Pringles meron dito. This one, meron tayong mga dilata. Ano ba ito? Mabigat. Ano bang nilagay ko dito? Hindi ko kasi nilagyan ng pangalan. Yeah, but I have that in my phone already. And then this one, ito pala yung ano, for my dad pala to. Ito yung binili namin ni Bill somewhere. Pero sana dadating to sa December, no? 25, I hope. And then this one, mga dilata. Ayan, so yung mga clothes, ayan o, sa plastic. Ipang-ano lang namin yan guys. Anong tawag ito? Kumpul-kumpul. Good luck na lang sa amin when we get there. Kasi, doon namin i-arrange lahat sa big box. And doon kami mag-tape lahat and everything. Meron tayong item dito, mga shampoo. Ito. Shampoo. Meron dito. Ito yung mga, ano to? I think this one, ito yung meron tayong mga bagong damit. Diyan. And yung meron tayong used clothes na, mga used clothes namin mga kids also na maliliit na ba. So pinapadala ko na rin para mabigay sa kasi. I really tried to put this in a big box to see how it fit. So lahat ng item na meron kami dito, nag-fit na siya sa box. And hopefully we will arrange the same. We have a little update of our floor. As you can see guys, beautiful naming floor. Tingnan nyo. Belle was working on this floor. All by himself. Siya yung nag-work nito guys. Kaya gikapoy ko. Oh, sige, trabahuin mo yan. But yeah, it looks so nice now. But we are not yet arranging things here. We're not done putting the
new baseboards.
baseboard on the side. Kailangan ng baseboard on the side. Hoy! Tali! Tagas ba kay kagkuko? Yeah, kailangan namin ng baseboard. But yeah, Bill was working. I think that was last week. He started working last week. Ba? Tama?
Last been a good week.
Yeah. Di ba mas maganda na, compare nyo yan sa nung nakaraan. (8:16 in the morning). Sige na, paimasa na mo. We need to leave by
Whenever.
9:30 or 10 in the morning. You said we can get there around 11. If we go
What time
9,
they close?
they're open Saturday. Oh, they're open until afternoon 5.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Look, are we ready?
You look ready. What?
Need to haircut. Tara na.
What? I don't want to wear your lipstick. Come on.
It's just a lip tint. It's already like,
It's just a lip.
you want like some
Where's my
glass.
wallet?
You don't have your wallet.
I don't know. Where is it?
You went out last night. Diba?
It's probably.
Did you open the the car?
Yes, take the
Thank you very much.
one.
I will check the...
Anak
Ay, nako, my tummy. It hurts badly, but we need to go. What time is it? Wow, it's almost... It's like 10:40 in the morning. This is what I'm wearing today. Anong hinlukot man yung Disney princess man yan. Naka-insert ang Disney princess for today, guys. I'm wearing my white top from Shein. And then this one from Shein also. And bag from Ma'am Ami. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. It's so beautiful. 10:44 in the morning. We will get there about 12, maybe. Depends on the traffic today, and it's Saturday, so hopefully it's not too traffic. But yeah, we're heading to Houston. Just for us to drop the box, the balikbayan box. We will be going to Jollibee as well. This will be our first Jollibee in the US since we got here. Are you guys ready for Jollibee? We are stopping by here at Love's gas station. So, hindi ko na alam kung where are we right now. Waller to... Hindi ko alam. Saan na ba tayo? But yeah, we are like 54 minutes away from Houston. Kailangan lang namin magpag-gas. That's because yung gas namin, di pa naman siya ubos, but yeah, parang 1/4 na lang yung gas namin, guys. And I think it's cheaper on this area. It's only like $2.54 per gallon. So it's cheaper than the other gas station that we passed earlier. Ang init sa labas. It's mga nasa 90 something Fahrenheit right now. Good luck na lang sa atin. This is what I said. For those who watch this video, if you guys have information about any shipping courier that you can use when you send balikbayan boxes from the USA, that they could be able to pick up door to door, like, kasi yung LBC hindi po sila nag-pick up. They picked up, but our area, our location, hindi po sila nagpi-pick up doon. Kailangan ko ng courier na pwede mag-pick up ng box sa bahay mismo para hindi na namin kailangan mag-travel from the house to the city or to the main office for balikbayan boxes. Shipper. It will be hassle. I know. I'm sure when we get there in LBC Houston, this will be a little struggle because aside from we have to like put things all together on the big box, plus the temperature, mainit siya, guys. Mainit siya right now. I don't know. Maybe let's open it. Maybe hindi naman siya ganun kainit. Yeah, it's humid. We are here at the Jollibee Houston, guys. So anyway, we went to LBC Express and then they were closed and says come back at 2 p.m. kasi meron silang lunch break. Grabing lunch break yan. It's a very long lunch break, ha? Long lunch break. Honestly. Unbelievable. But, yeah, we are here. Jollibee. Merong LBC daw.
How did they know we're a Jollibee?
Huh?
They can't see it.
Gusto gid ipaibog niya si Jollibee. Ayun o, Jollibee. That's Jollibee there. Wait lang, let me get my paper. Yeah, we're here. Jollibee. Madam Gaz. Are you happy now? Let's go. Jollibee, our first time here. Diba? Look around. It's our first time here in Jollibee. May mga Asian? Of course there is. Is there anybody who wants to eat Jollibee than Filipino? I think it's all Filipino. Wala sila cook float. They don't have cook float. Sorry, guys. You can only have Pepsi. We're waiting for our food.
Isang tigulang na ka magpasiksig akong ka.
Ha? Mag-exercise ay mi daddy.
Pasiksig akong ka, isang tigulang.
Dako na gyud tiyan. Grabe ang mood sa ano ba, singing. Pang Pinoy na Pinoy. Yay. Here comes what Yashli wants. Jollibee. What? I know you want fries. How many chicken? Two. Two chickens nga eh. Wala sila yung katong one lang chicken and then rice ba? Wow, babe. That looks so good.
Okay.
Wow, where's my palabok? Are you that hungry? Lami? Okay ra? Same in the Philippines? Chicken? Are you sure? Right, wala na, hindi na. Wala gid ka nag-breakfast kay ingon ko din ay, that's mine. Ikuha niyang isa. This is my favorite, peach mango pie. What is this? Wow. Sabi ko sa inyo, palabok is like that. I was not expecting you don't have Pepsi float here. It's not available. I don't know why. Sa Pinas lang pala yun, guys. Or only.
They wouldn't buy it. Jollibee can't sell it. Nobody wants it.
Let me try it.
They only get away with it in the Philippines because nobody
so
there
good.
has ever had a cook flavor like us.
Or maybe it's not like something that they ordered here. That's why they like remove that menu.
Nice, oh.
Go, Yashli. She's looking for soul.
Wala na po na sa anak.
Yum.
Always try to do the right thing, live a good life, and
So you have to be sweet to me.
don't worry about the rest. What? When am I not sweet to you?
Suko siya ko.
You have to be good to me.
Queen.
Yeah, they didn't buy me Dairy Queen yesterday. I'm so sad.
Yeah, but I drove you to Houston and Jollibee.
Wait lang, we need to check pa first. We have to check first kasi dalawa pala yung LBC dito, guys.
We're closed.
Non-payment of rent. That's why they're moving.
Well, this was the Asian store.
Oh, this is not the LBC anymore.
Well,
Ano ba to?
LBC is
Inside.
LBC was inside the Asian store.
Oh, shucks. It makes more sense. Yeah. Right, we need to drive again back to the LBC Express, which we were there earlier. And akala namin, kasi may LBC nakasabi na open, di naman pala open. Close by to Jollibee. So we need to go back to where we are at earlier. Kasi, akala ko kasi guys, yung open yung LBC doon. Akala namin open because yung sa Google Map ko sabi open. Pero close na. Permanent, close. May nakalagay doon, hindi sila nagbayad nag-rent. It's just so, ano. But anyway, yeah, we're heading back. We finished eating our Jollibee. Walang take out. Kaya nagmamadali na kami guys. It's already 2:12. And they will be closed at 5. So we have to be there as soon as possible. Kasi
In a quarter mile,
5
turn left
minutes
onto South
or
Loop
8
West.
minutes.
depends on the traffic. It's traffic earlier, remember?
Google Maps accounts for traffic.
Mainit po sa Houston. Sobrang init, guys. Right now, it's 101 degree Fahrenheit.
We're
Sobrang init, actually.
6 miles. That's about 10 kilometers.
Far
That's how
from the
far we
express.
are.
Natatawa lang ako, like, because they have lunch break for 2 hours. We got there around maybe 12:40.
Well,
Like yeah, 12:40.
Well, 15 minutes to get to Jollibee.
And malayo
Hour
yun.
for lunch, 15 minutes to get back.
So,
And then, half hour to relax a little bit. So, yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours. Kaya to. Supposedly, inuna namin dapat. Kaso lang, sarado sila pagdating namin sa office. Lunch break daw, pero 2 p.m. yung open. Tatawa ako. So yes, I'm a little bit disappointed kasi wala silang cook float sa Jollibee here. Ibang iba. Pero I'm amazed kasi yung peach mango pie nila malaki. Yung size. But we did not try the rice na guys. Ay, balik-balik ang rice mo. Same rin gihapon. Ano say sumo? Yung rice ba? We have rice at home. But at least we tried the chicken. Jollibee chicken. Same taste, Rayash?
Chicken?
Yes. Ate Nicole, it's the same taste. Nakaubos sila ng tig-2 chicken. Oh, 'di ba?
At the light, turn left onto South Loop West.
Ako, lang ako palabok and then peach mango pie. Kasi yung chicken, sumunod
In a
chicken.
quarter mile, use the left lane to
Right.
take the I-610 East ramp.
Even if I think about like, I'm gonna eat more, pero hindi kaya ng bituka, guys. Hindi kaya ng tiyan ko talaga na kumain ng marami. Like, sobrang busog ko na nga, hindi namin naubos yung french fries. LBC na kami, guys. We're gonna ask. Ayan. Ay, finally.
All cargo shipments 30 pounds and above undergo mandatory secondary inspection.
Ano pong box niya?
Extra large, but I'm not sure. Same.
Ano
Well,
din?
galing akong...
LBC din?
Oh, ay di siya LBC.
Anong ano?
Papal.
Anong ano doon?
Sa U-Haul. Di ba we got that from U-Haul store?
Dami yung sukat sa iyo, eh.
Ah, ganun?
The size of the box.
Oh, no.
It's the size
Sabi
of the
kasi, natumawa ako.
Awa guys, awa guys. Awa.
So may deduction pag ikaw... okay.
Kasi wala rin pick up sa amin sa Lake Jackson.
Gutom ko.
So ito yung laman ng aming car for this. So pinalitan namin siya ng box kasi yung box pala na nabili namin sa U-Haul malaki siya na size, guys. Extra large siya pero malaki din. So we will be using their box here, ha? No connection, I brought the bag. So ayan yung lahat ng gamit namin diyan. Paglalagay na asos, pagkakasya namin lahat dito, guys. Tingnan natin kung magkasya siya. It's here, the bag. You want to take it with you? You can go inside, take it with you.
Asa?
Here. Back seat. Yan, so i-enforce daw ni Daddy yung ating box muna para sure ball na hindi guys, magisi. Kami lang yung nagpapadala na dito lang namin inasymbol lahat. Yung pinaka extra large nila, pinakamalaking box ng LBC, Balikbayan. Hindi siya ganoon kalaki. Fill out tayo ng form, guys. Bill of loading. Ang uban, wala da. My goodness. So we're going to stop over at...
There's a museum in the bottom. We can go up to the top.
That's really?
Yeah.
That's a monument here at the Parkway?
Texas Independence.
Texas Independence. I don't know how to explain. We're still in Houston. Welcome to San Jacinto Battleground.
Yes.
Dakuha na, oy. Gamay siya sa video, guys, but it's actually big. So this is like park.
Yep.
A very nice park. Nice kayo, picture ka din. That's a very tall monument. Very, very... Hala, naipand. Di ato, oh. Naipand. Look. Very nice. The early policies of Mexico towards her Texas colonists had been extremely liberal. Large. How do you know that? Where did you see the Tower of the Bell? The Bible? Babel. Ah. That's very tall. Super. Charan! Wow. Super tall. Mainit nga lang. Sobrang init, guys. Yung mga anak ko, tingnan nyo. Nauuhaw na po yan. So they are open here. This is San Jacinto Museum. Akala ko Houston pa rin to, pero sabi ni Bel hindi na daw to Houston eh. Wow. Nice dito mag-pictorial pag ano guys, oh like if it's your wedding day. Maganda dito mag-pictorial, I'm telling you. Nice talaga siya dito. For pictorial. So magbabayad ka pala. Ito yung mga nasa loob. Ito yung mga nasa loob niya guys. Oh. What do you mean? This?
How is that famous?
How?
It's limestone.
Nico was like, how has this become famous? You can touch it while you're here. Touch it. This is what?
Limestone.
Limestone? Wow. Can you believe that limestone? That's the first time I see a limestone, a real one. Wow, that's a very nice artwork. Nicole, come here. Nicole. Psst. Come here. We'll come back here later. Let's go. Hello, I thought we were gonna walk. Daddy says. Come on, come on. 5.
Try that one.
Huh? What do you see? What do you see? Wow. What? Are you ready to look?
Oh, yeah.
I have coins.
Coins?
Yeah, I have.
4 quarters.
What is 4? Here? Wow. Come on, come on. Hello, wow. So we are here at the top. Hello, nice. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Ang tindog ko. Oh, wow. Wow. Very nice. Hala, tabhabog na kay Tati.
I know.
Super. Tingnan niyo, nalula ako guys. Nalula ako sa ano.
Where do you want to look?
Yashli wants to look. Yashli wants to look. The Houston Ship Channel is one of the world's busiest ports and provides significant economic impact to the state of Texas. Ayun. Yun pala yung explanation about this one. Anyway, Yashli wants to try this. How do you call this one, babe? Microscope? Microscope? Telescope. Ba't may naririnig ako? Ay, close Manila. You have to pay money.
Well, I didn't put any money.
You don't see anything. You have to insert coins. Ayun.
Did you see now?
Wow!
You see now?
Yes, everything. Tayo.
You see?
So big. Yes. Nice? Huge, di ba?
Do this one too.
What? That's nice there also? Wow. Hey, it's so far. Wow. Ayun, siya makita mo.
Okay, let someone else look.
Wow. Nice. Huh? What? Naitawo? Dove? Nice, no? Maganda nga eh. Naman yung pagka-draw. Tingnan nyo guys. Diyan, putol dyan na kahoy ba? Look. Putol dyan siya na kahoy ba? It looks like putol ba? It looks so real. Diba? Nice. Wow. Nice painting, oh. What time is it? 5 in the afternoon. Guys, nag-stop over kami to top up for gas. Dito kami sa Bakis. Anong area ba to, guys? Kailangan lang ni Daddy mag-top up. Na-remember ko na naman yung Bakis natin sa Kintakis. Dito naman tayo sa Bakis, guys. Pero papasok tayo kasi naiihi din ako. And then, I'm sure si Belle, bibili yan ng food. I'm sure yan. Kasi di na kami makapagluto when we get home. Kasi we still have like 1 hour to go. Getting inside Bakis again. This is our second time in Bakis. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanilang changes. Ano tawag doon? What? You gonna buy this? It's busier sa Bakis na. Ganto na to ba? Hala, wow! Too much stuffs. Akong matayas. Nag-lock ra no. Ang sa ano. Nay, careful. Whee! Halloween. Me? A little batty. What is that? Ano yun?
Original Coke?
Original, of course. Bakis. Ukra, oh. Maligya ang lag ukra dire.
Like pickled eggs?
No. Ew. I don't like that.
Do you like pepper jelly? How about grape jelly?
No, thank you. You hear them screaming again, just like when we were in Kentucky.
Ice cold.
This outdoor? So you'll put charcoal under. You put charcoal
Put the
under.
charcoal under.
Then you're gonna.
Put
Hala,
the
this is
charcoal.
nice. Because you can put it in the table lang, no? Oh. Nice ni siya, oh. Ay, small lang, compact. College station.
Say here.
Yeah, this is nice for ano, pang gift ba? Like, Texas ka talaga. Ni Lola? Hatag yung Lola? Yaya niya. Pila man siya eh. Can you see how much it is? O, diba titingin ako sa price lagi. Ay, mahal, 39. Mahal kayo, $39 for that? Oh my goodness. See? Bakis! Wow! Mahal. It's so cute, it's so expensive. Ano to, pang magnet manata to ng ano? Pang magnet manata to ng ref ba? No? O pang can opener, I don't know. Maganda oh, Texas.
It might be a magnet.
Oh, pamagnet. Pwede mo siyang magnet na.
No, it's
Texas
not.
maganda.
Just a bottle of
It's magnet. Ah, it's magnet, baby, oh. It's magnet.
Pwede mo siyang magnet.
This is keychain. Or it's for keys.
Nice ni siya, babe. Oh.
How's this one?
This is very nice. Ayo.
Yeah.
Sure. That belongs to you because you are? Ayan na, kumuha na ng ano. Titingin tayo, guys. Marami silang binibenta dito, eh. Mas marami silang magagandang. Hala, wow. Tingnan nyo naman to, gaano ka-cute yan, oh. Baso, babe. Tingnan nyo ka. Look at this, how cute this is. Teacup?
Shot glass.
Oh, let's do shots. Oh. Nice. Say it again.
This is my baby.
This is my baby. Oh,
Coffee cup.
very big. What? That's cute. Ito talaga yung mga palahubog ba? Shot, baby, shot. Shot puno. Don't miss with Texas. Ah,
Shooter.
huh?
Shooter glass.
Kaya nga pang when you want to get drunk. I'm not gonna buy anymore. Okay, I've been spending so much last time. I'll just close my eyes and pretend that we are not in Bakis.
Don't pretend.
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend that we're not in Bakis. We're just, you know, some store. It's hot. We're going home. Tell me how it tastes.